The greatest wealth boom in history began with a single promise and ended in silence. This is the story of how the internet made and destroyed fortunes overnight. The 1,990 seconds, a new frontier called the internet. Ordinary people, investors, dreamers, all racing to strike digital gold. It all began with a single spark, a browser called Netscape that opened the door to a world few had imagined. When Netscape went public, its stock price quadrupled in a single day. The world had never seen anything like it. Investors stopped asking what the internet was and started asking how fast they could buy in. Soon, every idea with a .com at the end was a golden ticket. From pets to groceries, if it was online, it was worth millions. Profits didn't matter, only traffic. The mantra was simple: get more eyeballs, worry about money later. Venture capital poured in like a tidal wave, billions chasing dreams coded in HTML and hope. The media couldn't get enough. Founders became rock stars. Success wasn't measured in profits, but in magazine covers. Startups grew overnight, new offices, hundreds of hires, millions of users, but still no path to profit. And then the first cracks appeared. Companies were burning millions each month. The math stopped adding up. When the Federal Reserve raised interest rates, the free money vanished. The game changed overnight. Investors demanded results. Quarter after quarter, the truth came out. The profits weren't real. The promises were empty. One company fell, then another. Panic spread. The market that had built millionaires began tearing them apart. Pets.com, once the face of the internet dream, gone in a single season, its mascot became a symbol of failure. Webvan, eToys, Boo.com, all gone. Billion-dollar dreams burned in the digital fire. The NASDAQ crashed, losing nearly 80% of its value. The internet miracle had turned into a nightmare. Fortunes vanished overnight. Startups closed their doors. Thousands lost jobs, but the internet itself survived. Among the wreckage, a few survived. Amazon focused not on hype, but on building something real. Regulators moved in. The Sarbanes-Oxley Act reshaped corporate America, demanding transparency and trust. Yet, from the ashes came progress. Fiber optic cables, data centers, the digital skeleton of our modern internet. 2 decades later, we see the same story, new names, same patterns, different players, same greed. Crypto, SPACs, artificial intelligence, once again, billions chase the next revolution. History whispers 3 lessons: profits matter, hype fades, and greed always returns. Another bubble is forming. The question isn't if it bursts, but when and who will be left holding the bag. The internet made and destroyed fortunes, but technology isn't the villain, human behavior is. Learn, prepare, because the next storm has already begun. Subscribe and stay ahead of the next crash.